The beginning of a design story is always a conversation. The right questions always put you on the right track.
So what are the questions that we start our journey with?
Number 1, family structure. Number of people, their age.
Well, designing for toddlers or senior citizens and pets all need a different layer of sensitivity in the design, detailing and material choices.
Number 2, their backstory. What's the family journey been like?
Well, the important milestones could actually turn into customized design choices that make the house their own. For example, Gurgaon One tells a story of a family of generational travelers, and Anubhuti is about a couple rooted in Tamil traditions.
Number 3, their occupation.
Well, how much time do they actually spend at home and doing what? Well, the house needs to convert to accommodate the changing work patterns of the users throughout the day.
Number 4, how often do you entertain and how many of them?
Well, are you the kind who likes to call in close friends to watch a match or maybe sing together? Maybe you need a smaller informal gathering space with a screen. Or if you are one for formal gatherings, then you need a living room that extends into another space when needed.
Number 5, frequency of live-in guests.
Are you blocking rooms for guests who visit you probably for 15-20 days in a year? And maybe you need a room that reinvents itself when that happens. This will allow you to use your space much more efficiently for the rest of the year.
Number 6, who cooks in the family?
Is it a staff-run kitchen? You need a closed one. Is it a combination one? You need a combo design. Is it a family-run kitchen? Well, you need an open kitchen. And just like us, it pays a lot to know your clients much better before you start designing. Well, the deeper you know them, the better is the design outcome.